I recently had the privilege of working with Ukrainian therapists who serve the military and their families. And I used poetry. Why did I use poetry? Poetry is a phenomenal tool to help people process things that are incomprehensible: death, war, trauma. Poetry is like primary process dreams. It is shorthand code. And when we use poetry, clients are able to process really deep emotions. They break through resistances, and it accelerates the progress of therapy. Let me share a poem that I used with the Ukrainians. It's called Damaged by Donald Adamson. And the brain just loves imagery. Damaged. There's not a single tree in the wood that isn't damaged. Yet when they grow tall and old, and when they at last fall, they are noticed not by their malformations, nor by their absence, sudden blue astonishments of sky. The poem concludes like this: do not ask to be cured, nor pass your parcel of injuries to others. You were damaged. Let yourself be changed and grow and live. Now, this is a brilliant poem because in 2 minutes, we are already looking at some very important questions. Is it possible to live and not sustain damage? When we have damage or injury, how are we going to heal? Please understand, when clients experience depression, trauma, or anxiety, the language centers of the brain shut off. Poetic language does the opposite. It activates the language centers in the brain and cognition centers. And if we had a brain scan, we would see the entire brain lighting up. And what we know is that clients are more likely to start expressing themselves and have insights.